Night.
Okay. Alright. So, this is going to be in the intro for 2 videos. Really? Nah, but whatever. I'm no longer doing 2 videos a week. I decided that even though I'm still going to be making 2 videos a week worth of content, just because sometimes that's how it just, oh my god, Beyonce! Trying to get this video taken down! Because even though, because that's just how it works out best for me, but I am not getting the return on investment for as far as views on my beauty videos. And I think that's just because beauty's on its way out as like a major content thing. You have to be doing something else. And I'm going to try, but that means I have to open myself up for more like now immediate content. So I think weeks that I have 2 pieces of content, I will return to my Monday Friday format. Like there might be a makeup video on Monday, and then Friday we'll have a vlog or something, or a more recent like product review that I feel like I need to rush out immediately for relevancy. But for every other kind of week, it's just gonna be Wednesdays. You know, I just want my videos to be a quick like 10-20 minute lunch break view for you while you enjoy your life around it. Obviously Magmas will still be 7 days of videos because I like to start out the new year fresh, and then, you know, not making any content for 2 weeks. But I also wanted to finish my neutral palette extravaganza, so I'm going to cut 2 palettes I was going to cover, which is the Garden Variety palette, which I've talked about in extreme depth. I will probably just put those videos in the whatchamacallit, in the playlist, so that you can go and watch them at your own leisure. And the Madly Truly Deeply palette, I just feel like it's gonna be another video that I hate the way my eyeshadow looks with it, so it's not even worth the time to do it. So we are ending we're ending my Mild World of Colourpop palettes with the palette that I've always referred to as the damn here darkies, the Wild Child palette. When I swatched it about a month ago, it was really beautiful. I'm actually really glad that I own it. I think I'm gonna have a really fun time with these colors, and it's gonna be a good send-off. We're gonna have a good time. So these are in fact 2 different videos, but this one will be out, I believe, like March like 4th or 5th or something. So
his like 4 or 5 month old baby over to me as I am serving, mind you, and he just go, hey, I gotta be in this meeting the next half an hour. Do you want to watch Emmett? And I look at him and I'm just like, yeah, but I gotta serve tables, so Emmett's gonna have to come with me. And Tom would just look at me and go, okay, good. So when you're a mom, you're gonna have to multitask. You're gonna thank me because I'm gonna have you trained to do this. Like, we're just gonna get you started on the skill young. Fine. All my friends who had kids have all seen me at some point or another.
One of my dogs loves to put her toys under this ottoman. She will put a toy under there, cry for us to get it. We get it for her. She puts it back under the ottoman, rinse and repeat until the end of time. We have tried the pool noodle trick before, but it didn't really work for us. Our dogs were able to get through it kind of easily. So today I'm going to be putting on these blockers that I bought on Amazon. They are just a peel and stick solution. There's a film on the back of these that you peel off to make them more transparent. You can definitely still see them on the underside of the furniture, but I guess they're not as noticeable as like a pool noodle, for example. So you just cut these to size as needed. I found them really easy to cut. I didn't have any issues with that, but I did put a small strip behind each gap just to reinforce it. You can kind of see it in this picture. So here's the finished product. They're holding up against my initial test, but we'll see how they do after a few weeks. One of my dogs loves to put her toys under this ottoman. She will put a toy under there, cry for us to get it. We get it for her. She puts it back under the ottoman, rinse and repeat until the end of time. We have tried the pool noodle trick before, but it didn't really work for us. Our dogs were able to get through it kind of easily. So today I'm going to be putting on these blockers that I bought on Amazon. They are just a peel and stick solution. There's a film on the back of these that you peel off to make them more transparent. You can definitely still see them on the...
So I finally got around to seeing the new Minion movie, and mid-movie, I was struck with a thought that has plagued my every moment since, and since misery loves company, I want to share it with you. What texture are the Minions supposed to be? If I were to touch a Minion, would it feel like human skin, or would it be more like blubbery, kind of like a seal, or is it like sharks, where it's like one way is smooth and the other way is sharp? Or is it maybe like, are they covered in like a thin layer of hair? Like, I want to know. I feel like if you...
Okay, again, I had a feeling I'd like this. I'm agitated. I'm agitated because I just hate the fact, and it's like a branding thing, but I just hate the fact that it's called Wild Child, and then it's like very clearly Giraffe Africa style. Like, I know coffee is kind of like overdone as far as also being the thing that you label things meant for people of color, but it's also like, you know, kicking it khaki style, and like, I don't know, there's just, bro, I don't know, all I know is it's been 2 years and I'm still mad about it, but I actually really like this palette a lot. Like, this was very nice. Like, as compared to Going Coconuts, it's very warm. For me, it's like all the shimmers work on my eyes. The glitter's nice. I just did a simple wingless look because I'm going to hang out with friends, I guess. I don't know fully yet. But it's a good palette. I really like it. Cool. Finishing up talking about my eyes. Okay, we're back talking about my eyes. It's a good palette. I can't be too terribly mad at it just because the branding is not what I would choose. But yeah, the proof is on the pudding in this one. One more video where I wrap up all my thoughts about these eyeshadows, eyeshadow palettes, and then we can close the chapter on my exploration through these palettes. I just had a lot of feelings. A lot of feely wheely dealies on this one. In this department. This one I didn't. I really do like it, and I'll probably use it more, but as of right now, it is just like Dunzo. We've talked about this. If you wanna follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, I'm on all those things at Megan_Blush_. Yes, God. And yeah, follow me there. We can chit chat it up, talk about makeup, accessories, yeah. You can subscribe generally on my faces. This video, best for you, sir. Whatever is best for you, baby. And this here will be the playlist of the rest of my Mild World of Colourpop palettes. Yes. Cool. Bye, guys.